Hey there, Daniel Newman from Futurum Research here. I spend a lot of my time analyzing technology for the high-tech sector with big enterprise IT applications, but my business, Futurum Research, is actually a small company, and every day I have to look at how I use tools and mobility to drive my business forward. Recently, I had the chance to look at a number of tools that were out there, and two tools that I discovered have completely changed the way I'm able to do my business day in and day out. Being on the road probably more than 50% of the time every year, I have documents constantly coming through my system. Things I need to sign, things I need to edit, amend. I have paper documents I need to scan and make sure are available on my phone and available on all my different machines when I'm on the road so that I can continue to execute business. Contracts coming in, need to be able to sign, execute, get them sent off. And frankly, that can be really hard. And sure, business centers are all over the place, and you can go into a store, a FedEx or a UPS store and do a lot of these things. But you and I both know that we don't want to have to go through all those extra steps in order to basically sign and send a document. So Adobe gave me the chance to play with two of their tools, Adobe Scan and Adobe Sign, and these two tools are incredible when it comes to usability for a small business like myself. Say I send a contract off to a client, I can take that document and I can put it into the Sign application, and I can very simply have that document executed, or I can convert it to Sign and execute it myself. And then I can use Scan to take a physical document that I have sitting on my desk, digitize that in real time in a very simple capacity, and then edit and work with that document in order to be able to use it, sign it, execute it, or whatever I need to do with that document from the road. It may not seem like a big thing, but I guarantee if you own a company, big and especially small, giving your employees the ability to take a document, to take the content notes that they have and turn them into a usable doc that can then be opened across their digital ecosystem is incredibly powerful. And if you are in a business where you're signing contracts, where you have different documents coming across that you need to be able to execute in real time quickly, I don't think I've seen an application more efficient and effective than Adobe Scan. So I want to give a shout out and a thanks to Adobe for hooking me up and letting me play with those tools. And I definitely recommend to you, if you're a small business like me, give a shout, give a chance, check out these Adobe tools, because they definitely have made my life and my business run better.